Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to take a look at possibility of 4-cent Dogecoin. Could you imagine Dogecoin dropping back down to 4 cents? We're in this bear market, this crypto winter, and it is a possibility. And as we see more and more news articles being written about this possibility, could it really happen, or is this just FUD? And we're going to see Dogecoin and the crypto market take off. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Always hit the notification bell so you can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I go live. Live streams still Monday nights and Friday nights each week. Come and join. Take part in the chat. We talk about Dogecoin, talk about other cryptos as well. Always a good time. But not a good time when you're looking at the markets and they're just blah. That's right, just blah. Real technical term there, but that's what we've got right now in this bear market. We had a little pump this morning, had a little pump yesterday morning, and on a Labor Day weekend here in the United States, holiday weekend, that was kind of expected. And I talked about that in my video on Friday, that we could see little pumps, and we have. These are manipulations more than anything else. Someone's got to be making some money somewhere, and it's the swing traders. Yep, the day traders, swing traders in crypto. Move it up, move it down, move it up, move it down, scalp, scalp, scalp. They make a little money here and there. We're just mostly along for the ride, trying to weather this the bear market crypto winter, trying to get through it, and looking for good times ahead. However, there is, overall global economy is not good. Rising interest rates, rising inflation, energy crisis looks like it's looming this fall and into the winter. Still war going on, supply chain issues, and we still have a pandemic hitting certain parts of the world that is, still causing concern as well. So all of that together leads us to where we are now, watching the sideways trading. Is there going to be another big dip? I've been talking about that. We'll be talking about that more on Monday night during my live stream. Yeah, the big dip. And where would that big dip drop it? Well, let's go ahead and let's take a look at the charts in the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So we start with the current trading of Dogecoin. Here we are, 6.3 cents. Earlier this morning, we saw a little pump here, came up to 6.4 and now settling back. We saw the same thing yesterday. On Saturday, saw a big pump. That pump went all the way up to 6.4 as well, and then traded back down. So as we zoom back, this is the sideways trading. It's just up, down, up, down, up, down, going sideways. That's where we are on a Labor Day weekend. Again, little pumps, little dumps, but it's all pretty small scale stuff. We want to be looking at what the bigger scale stuff is. So we go to the 4 hour and we zoom out. This was the previous high that we had back here earlier in August when Doge traded up to 9 cents. And from there traded back down to 6 cents. So what we do is we say, okay, on the Fibonacci, and we go from swing low to swing high. Right up like this. And we take a look at this and we say, well, if Doge is going to drop lower than 6 cents, where is the next line? And it's not at 5 cents. Nope. The 1.6 Fibonacci is down here at 4 cents. That's right. That is right here at 4 cents. That's what we're looking at, is that line there. If we see a big dip in the crypto market, we could see a big drop down to 4 cents. As we zoom out on this to the daily and zoom back, we see that we were down just below 5 cents back here in June. This was the big dip that happened here June 10th through 14th. It's that kind of big dip that we could possibly see coming forward that might bring this down as low as 4 cents. That would be the kind of big dip that we could see. But this isn't just me saying this. Here's News BTC. Dogecoin must cling to this level lest Doge slip quickly to 4.8 cents. They're targeting 4.8 cents. So Doge currently up 0.88 cents, 0.8%. That's pretty small. Trading at 0.0624. It's been trailing down since November highs. Doge is seeing bearish movement. It has been a roller coaster ride up and down. That's what we saw on the charts. And a significant rally in August. That's what we looked at from a low of 5.9, peaking to a high of 8.7. I showed 6 to 9 on mine. So what's going to happen here? The longer market time frame, Doge is looking bearish. Was able to take full grip of support zone. Seems the momentum is taking a detour towards the bears. From July to August, Doge is lingering in the range of 6.3 to 7 cents. And technical indicators showing bearish perspective. RSI's often move down to the 50 zone. And if the RSI goes back below 50, we could see a further dip. So it's important for Doge to remain at the 6.1 cent level, which has been particularly pivotal back in February and March of 21 that I talked about. Once Doge loses its grip on these key levels, the meme coin can drop sharply to 4.9. So that's what this article is looking at. Now, we also have Dogecoin faces rejection at recent highs. It's targeting a 5-cent low. Again, these are different articles, different authors talking about another drop, and that this is all part of the bear market continuing. And Dogecoin is in a downward correction, consolidates above 6.1 cent support level. Price movement hasn't changed since August 28th. Dogecoin fluctuates between 6 cents and 6.4 cents price levels. We see resistance line, support line, and as I showed on the fib retracement, there's not much below 6 cents. There are some that are saying if there's a 5-cent support, and we could see that, and this is what they're saying here is also 5-cent support, but the fib goes all the way down to 4 cents. So that would be a tough drop to see that coming down to 4 cents. So there are others looking at the same thing, and if the whole crypto market can pull out of the bears, we would avoid this. But unfortunately, it looks like we're still in sort of this bearish tendency for a while. If we look at the coin market cap, let me just refresh this here and get the latest data here. We still see Dogecoin here at 10th. So despite all of this bear market talk, Dogecoin is still the 10th largest cryptocurrency, $8.3 billion market cap, holding right above Polkadot and Matic, which Polkadot made a run and flipped it just briefly last week. But Matic has been showing a good run, up 8.2% over the past week, while Dogecoin is actually down just over 1% over the past week. So we could see the possibility, if Dogecoin continues to trade in this sort of negative territory sideways, and DOT and Matic both make runs, we could see Dogecoin back down to 12th in overall market cap. We also had Cardano flipping over XRP, because Cardano has been on a run, up 6.8% over the past day, up over 12% over the past week. So that's good trading for Cardano. You know, Doge doesn't do the slow, steady high trading. It gets it all at once, and we see the big spikes, and that's how Doge trades. So we'll see how Doge trades as we enter the week, and we'll certainly be talking about Dogecoin's trading in my live stream on Monday night. Hope to see you then. Now, remember back in February of 2021 when Dogecoin first traded up to 8 cents, and everyone was like, wow, 8-cent Dogecoin, and it dropped back to 5 cents. And people were thinking, okay, that's a good buying opportunity because Dogecoin is going to take off. But Dogecoin kept dropping through the month of February and into March down to 4 and 3 cents, and then eventually made it back up to 4 cents, and then traded between 4 and 5 cents through March of 2021 before taking off in April. Well, Who'd have believed that Dogecoin could possibly be looking at 4 cents? Earlier this summer, we did hit 4.9 cents briefly. So those that caught Dogecoin at that point, that was a good buy. But we could be seeing another dip that low, unfortunately. Or fortunately, if you're sitting on the sidelines with cash ready to buy more Doge and buy it on that big dip. Not necessarily guaranteed there's going to be a big dip, but the history has shown in crypto trading that big dips do happen. And that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that next big dip. Will it get all the way down to 4 cents? We don't know. When the time is right there, I'll be ready to buy, and it'll be somewhere in there, maybe. We shall see. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is Dogecoin going to hit 4 cents again? Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.